Hi, welcome to Review Time at Films of India, and this time we're reviewing Saheb Biwi Aur Gangster Returns. Starting from where the prequel ended, Saheb Biwi Aur Gangster Returns shows the marital discord between a paralyzed from waist down Aditya Pratap Singh and his alcohol-loving MLA wife Madhavi reaching new and crazy heights. Add to this Aditya's growing fondness and subsequent engagement to Ranjana, who is in love with his ancestral rival Indrajit Singh, and you have a story that twists and turns with every frame. Tigmanshu Dhulia makes an absolutely stunning return with Saheb Biwi Aur Gangster Returns. In fact, it beats down the first part hands down. In a word, it is a magnificent movie. Now, which has politics, intrigue, mystery, emotions, betrayal and thrills all combined to make one explosive dramatical film experience. Though the film takes off from where the original ended, it's a totally fresh new story which leaves you spellbound till the surprising end. The only jarring note in the movie at times was Mahi Gill's voice, which had tones of a wannabe Meena Kumari, but still kudos to her for carrying off the role with aplomb. Performances by Jimmy Shergill, Mahi Gill, Soha Ali and last but not the least Irfan Khan are emotionally evocative and take your breath away with their intensity. Parvesh Rana makes an impactful and interesting debut. Raj Babbar and Rajiv Gupta are solid. All the artists, from the ones with the tiniest role to the ones with the longest and the largest screen space, leave a memorable impact on your mind. Director and screenwriter Tigmanshu Dhulia is brilliant without a doubt, and he has proven it yet again with Saheb Biwi Aur Gangster Returns. He knows his characters inside and out and he nails them perfectly. In fact, his dialogues are sure to be quoted by moviegoers for the longest time. A standing ovation not only for the direction but also for the story, music, editing, cinematography and action, which are flawless. Do not miss Saheb Biwi Aur Gangster Returns, a gritty, captivating thriller which gets a full 4 stars from us. With cameraman Shadab Zaidi, this is Varan Chaudhary for Films of India. Please stay tuned for all things that are Bollywood.